Hello, Morris Plains parents, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to log your child into the Chrome browser. For those of you who are working on a Chromebook, this tutorial is unnecessary, as when you initially log into the Chromebook, you are automatically operating in the Chrome browser. For those of you who are using a non-Chromebook device, this tutorial will help you to navigate logging into that Chrome browser. If you do not currently have the Chrome browser on your device, please download it for free. Once you open the Chrome browser for the first time, it should take you to a page that looks like this. If you are already a Chrome user and you need to add your child's Morris Plains account as a second or third user on your Chrome browser, please open Chrome and click at the People menu on the top of the screen and click Add Person. In doing so, you will be taken to that initial login screen. Once you have gotten to this screen, click Already a Chrome User, Sign In. It will then prompt you to log into your Google account. Please note you must be logging in with your child's Morris Plains School District issued Google account or G Suite account credentials. Those credentials can be found by logging into the parent portal of Genesis and clicking next to your child's photo for the user text. There you will find both the username and password for your child's Google or G Suite account. Once you have those credentials ready, please type them in. And as you are logged in, you will be asked if you would like to link your Chrome data to this account. It is important that you click Link Data, as this is what will allow all of the bookmarks, extensions, and anything else that is prompted by the school district to be accessible for your child. Please note that once you are logged in, you may have some tools that will automatically load in different windows, such as Google Tone. It's okay to X that out, as it is just Google loading them for the first time in the browser on your machine. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that you now have access to everything your child needs for virtual learning. Just a quick tour for you. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find the icon for the Google Apps. It looks like 9 little squares. If you click that, you'll notice that Google Classroom will automatically populate for you. This is the way that you can access Google Classroom for your child. Additionally, on the top left of the screen, you will find the mpstudent.org bookmarks. By clicking there, you will find both the virtual attendance form and the virtual tech support form. When you click on virtual attendance, the form will open and you will notice that it is automatically collecting your child's username. That is a feature that helps us in tracking students' attendance daily. Additionally, you can click on the virtual tech support form, which is where you can submit all tech support requests. I hope this tour has been very helpful for you. And of course, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Mrs. Lyon-Bailey or Mr. Kramer at any time, and we will do our best to help you navigate through virtual learning. Have a wonderful day, everyone.